What is up, guys? Cal coming back again with another video, and today we're going to be testing out Amazon fake AirPod Pros, where my hairstyle is trash and so are the products. Let's get into this. Alright, so the unboxing, I mean, it's a small package. It's this is my hand. It's the package. I hope you can see this. Yeah, but like, it can like almost fit in my palm. Okay, but we're gonna unbox this. Okay, so we're opening it, and I mean, it's got some bad packaging. It's nothing like Apple. I'll give you guys a close-up on that. This is the package. I can't really hold it without it slipping. That's a package, and then we're just going to open it. Alright, that's it. Oh, literally just comes straight out. So I don't have real AirPod Pros to test this to, but let's get that out of here. Okay, but these are the AirPods. Do they look good? Oh, I can't see them. Oh my god, I actually haven't unboxed these yet. Wait, first, before I look at those, I have no idea how to use these, so I hope there's instructions. Okay, so they don't come with extra tips. They come with an Apple charger, surprisingly. They do come with instructions, so that's helpful. Nothing else in the box. That is not helpful. Okay. Oh, those look dope. They flash. Damn, these actually look real. See the wait. Okay. Now I got it. Okay, how do you use these? Okay, I'm gonna connect these to my phone. Ooh, okay, they're identified as Air Max. Oh, that was loud. I did not like that. They just both said connected at the same time. I don't know how I mean, the fit, it's not bad. I've never worn AirPod Pros before. Okay, wait, hold up. There's a mirror right here. I'll just take you guys with me. Good? Am I wearing these properly? I can kind of see myself wearing these. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we got the ankle back. And, I have no idea how I'm meant to use these. I should probably... Let's get some info about these. Can't rename them or anything. I'm gonna read the instructions. You know, before I read the instructions, I'm just gonna try to learn how to. I'm just gonna try to use these. They feel decent. I feel like the original AirPods do feel better. Wait, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just grabbed an original AirPod and I'll swap. Yeah, this feels way more comfortable for me. This as opposed to this. But I mean, I'm open to trying it. Okay, they are connected, which is good. That's very confusing. The case is dope, though. I love this. I hope these work well, because... there we go. It's not bad. I mean, it could be better. It's not bad. It's not bad. This is dope. Those aren't even real sensors. Oh wait, okay, so if you double tap them, I think they pause. One tap is pause. Okay. I was told they have noise canceling. Yeah, I was told they have noise canceling, but I have no idea where that is. Doesn't say anything about it. And I might be talking a bit loud because I have music playing. Okay, so I'm gonna pause those. I'm sorry the air conditioning is running because it's hot in here. Oh, that's louder than I thought. Okay, wait. Oh, wait, do these have noise canceling? Or are they just blocking my ears from actually hearing anything? Okay, so Maybe it's because this is an iPhone 6, it won't properly connect. So, I'm currently filming on an iPhone 11 Pro. Oh, I don't like that noise. It says disconnected and like a what should be a high-pitched voice as a low-pitched voice. Okay, so yeah, I'm filming on an iPhone 11 Pro and I'm gonna try them on there because it should work better on there. Be right back. Okay, so right now I think you should be hearing the mic on these, and they should be connected to this phone. And I'm about to listen to how it sounds, and hopefully it sounds... I'm sorry for you headphone users. Yeah, but hopefully it sounds good, because these are pretty dope. They were, I believe, $50 on Amazon, so pretty good considering AirPod Pros are like $300, so alright, I'm gonna try them out. Okay, so I kind of figured out a bit how they work, and well, so the manual, which was like tiny, explains absolutely nothing, but I didn't give you guys a look at, yeah, it's like an actual Apple charger. So that's, I don't know. The case has me sold on it. The case looks and it feels good. Like, actually good. Oh, they're flashing, aren't they? Okay, wait. That's because they're not connected to anything. Okay, so this is editing cow cooking, and first off, gotta apologize for the video, or audio, sorry. The AC was running like I explained in the video. Secondly, I was dead tired when I filmed this, so if there's no enthusiasm and I sound dead, I apologize for that reason, and the squeaking of my chair right now, because I need a new chair, and they keep squeaking. But, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and then, let's keep watching the video. The audio quality itself is, honestly, it's like, it's better than you would expect, but it's not like top of the line audio quality. Like, I was expecting worse from fake AirPod Pros from Amazon, you know? Like, you expect pretty bad. But it's surprisingly not as bad as you would think. I never do reviews of this stuff, so I would have no idea. But, yeah, they don't have, like, that much stuff. Apparently, they have noise canceling. I mean, you can kind of hear it. It might be, like, noise reduction, so it's probably not great, but I think I'm gonna keep these. I really like them. It's just, it's really cool. And, well, I wish I had AirPod Pros here to compare them, but I do not, so there's no comparison. But otherwise, the case doesn't look bad at all. But that might be it for today's video. No, it's a short one, but if we can get 10 likes, that sounds really weird saying that. If we can get 10 likes on this video, then I will do the same thing, but with a fake Apple Watch from Amazon. But that might be it for this cow cooking video. Hopefully soon more to come. Ignore that I haven't been posting lately. And yeah, 10 likes, Apple Watch. I'll see you guys.